The 2026 Nissan brings a bold new vision to the modern automotive landscape. With a design that merges futuristic aesthetics with practical engineering, this car commands attention on the road. Its sculpted body lines, aerodynamic profile, and aggressive front grille offer a fresh, dynamic presence. Slim LED headlights stretch seamlessly into the fenders, while the taillights wrap around the rear with a signature light pattern that immediately signals the brand's modern identity. Every exterior detail reflects precision, from the flush door handles to the redesigned alloy wheels that offer both elegance and improved aerodynamics. As soon as you step inside, the cabin reveals a minimalist yet highly tech-forward environment. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment screen into one seamless unit. Touch-sensitive controls replace most physical buttons, creating a clean and futuristic vibe. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and door panels, adjustable to different moods and driving modes. The steering wheel is a redesigned flat-bottom style with haptic feedback controls, and behind it sits a fully digital cluster with real-time navigation, driver assistance visuals, and customizable widgets. Seating is a blend of luxury and sustainability, with high-quality recycled materials used in the upholstery and soft-touch surfaces. Ventilated and heated front seats come standard, and the rear seating area is surprisingly spacious, offering improved legroom and headroom over the previous model. Noise insulation has been vastly upgraded, providing a whisper-quiet experience even at highway speeds. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Nissan doesn't just aim to keep up, it aims to lead. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.5-liter engine paired with a mild hybrid system, delivering a combined output of around 260 horsepower. The throttle response is sharp, acceleration is smooth, and the CVT transmission has been refined for quicker, more responsive gear shifts. For those craving more power, an optional all-electric variant is expected to deliver over 300 horsepower with a range exceeding 400 kilometers on a full charge. The ride quality is noticeably improved thanks to a revised suspension system, offering better handling in corners and a more composed feel on uneven roads. On the tech side, Nissan's ProPilot Assist 3.0 now includes autonomous lane changes, adaptive cruise control with real-time AI traffic prediction, and a 360-degree intelligent parking system. Over-the-air updates keep the system fresh with new features, and the built-in infotainment includes support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, integrated Google Assistant, and a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system. Pricing for the 2026 Nissan starts at approximately $31,000 for the base trim and goes up to around $45,000 for the fully loaded top-tier variant. Optional packages include luxury, off-road, and performance configurations, offering tailored experiences for different types of drivers.